This 3CG laser level projects 3 laser lines. One 360 degrees horizontal and two 360 degrees vertical planes, so that users can accurately and quickly execute level, align, square, and plumb applications. The laser lines are visible up to 130 feet. The Smart Pendulum System self-levels and indicates out-of-level conditions to help ensure an accurate layout. And it locks the lines at any angle. The pendulum system locks when switched off. To assure secure tool transport, the included magnetic pivoting base provides microfine height adjustment, and it allows the laser to be attracted to any iron surface for level lines at any height. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Self-leveling mode unlocked position. When the laser tool is switched to the unlocked position, the self-leveling mode is enabled. The laser level buzzer will beep continuously when the tool is beyond the self-leveling range, and if the tool is in ±3 degrees. The laser level will be self-leveling in 4 seconds. All laser lines are horizontal and vertical. Number 2. Manual mode locked position. When the switch is in the locked position, you can place the laser tool at various angles to project non-level straight lines. It's not self-leveling now. This mode can meet your tilt line requirement. Number 3. High-quality materials, strong optical glass, same as eyeglasses coating. Good transmittance rate for pure super bright beam. High quality, metallic feel, wear-resistant, and scratch-resistant. Number 4. Pulse mode. After startup, turn on the pulse mode. Pulse mode extends the working range up to 164 feet in bright working conditions. Using with WOKELINE line laser receiver. When used with a receiver, it's necessary to turn on the pulse mode. Number 5. Fully layout with 3x 360 line lasers. One 360 degrees horizontal and two 360 degrees vertical planes. The 12-line visualization can easily cover the walls, floors, and ceilings of the room. The 360 laser level is equipped with 2 tripod conversion interfaces and a super strong magnetic rotating stand, which can be placed in any position you want to use, which is convenient to use. Number 6. Automatic leveling function. When tilt angle is lesser than or equal to 3 degrees, the level can be automatically leveled without spending too much time to adjust the level. It is suitable for more working situations and can lock the pendulum to save your time when automatic leveling is not possible. An audible alarm will flash continuously to remind you to adjust the position of the level meter in time. Number 7. High accuracy inside and outside. The green laser level line is 3x brightness than the red beam, which can provide a working distance of up to 100 feet. Safety level class 2. Lesser than 1 MW power output. The accuracy at 30 feet is within 1/16 of inches. To ensure the accuracy of construction, the WOKELINE laser level self-leveling has an outdoor enhancement mode, supports a receiver, and can easily handle outdoor operations such as building construction, garden trimming, outdoor installation, etc. Number 8. Wide application. Made of ABS plastic and TPR soft rubber. Portable and lightweight for easy gripping. Operation temperature range is 14 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The green laser level has IP54 waterproof. You can use it in almost any situation. The WOKELINE laser level is an ideal choice for floor laying, photo installation, indoor construction, woodwork, etc. Number 9. 2 lithium batteries. Providing continuous power supply for a whole day. It can support mobile power supply and a variety of power supply methods to solve the problem of battery life. The professional coating over the laser projectors provides clear light transmission while reducing reflection. A clear and detailed user instruction manual is attached to resolve any problems encountered during use. Quality assurance, provide after-sales service, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.